Hello and welcome to a new video. I am so happy that you're here. Guys, I took a nice little break and now I'm back with your back-to-back videos. I think I'm gonna be uploading maybe once or twice a week. I'll see. I was trying to do the 2 to 3 times a week, but I think that's a little bit hard for me. I think because when you're uploading so often, the quality does kind of go down, and I really do not want to mess up my quality on the videos that I bring to you. So today what we're going to be doing is just a nice, simple, but yet super delicious Ghanaian style egg stew. This stew goes with pretty much anything. It can go with rice, it can go with yam, it can go with boiled plantain, it can go with just anything that you enjoy eating it with. I know Nigerians normally like to eat this type of egg stew for breakfast in the morning. In Ghana, we typically, if we eat it for breakfast, we would have it also with yam, with some, like I said, plantain. Sometimes you can even pair it with bread, you guys, but normally Ghanaians will eat this for lunch or for dinner. So right now I'm preparing dinner, so this is the easiest thing that I could get my hands on, but yet so delicious, and I can even meal prep it. So I'm going to be making a big batch, so for the week when I don't have time to make a fresh stew, it's already in the fridge and ready to go. This stew is so versatile that not only goes with African type of foods, but it also can go very well with pasta, all types of pasta. So easy, so convenient, and yet super full of proteins. I hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. For the ingredients of this recipe, the ingredients are super simple, especially for those who are from West Africa. But if you're not from West Africa, here are the ingredients. The main ingredients to make any of your African soups or stew delicious are onion, ginger, habanero pepper, and garlic. When you have these ingredients, all of your stews, soups, rices like jollof rice, even fried rice will be amazing. These ingredients you cannot go without if you're cooking any type of Ghanaian dish. What I mean with Ghanaian dish is things like stews and soups, like I just mentioned. The ginger has to be enough, especially when you're trying to season your meat. Say you're making soup and you don't have enough ginger in there for a Ghanaian type of soup. If you don't have that kind of ginger in there, you're going to know it. You're going to know it. So those are the main ingredients for your stew base. Here I am preparing and getting my eggs ready to put in the stew. One of the things I realized is that to get that consistency that you want for your egg stew, the true secret is to put as many eggs as you put the tomatoes. So if you have like 3 cans of tomato, measure that with the amount of eggs you're gonna put in and try to be as equal as possible so that your stew does not kind of engulf all your eggs where you don't even see the eggs in there. Look at this egg, you guys. I'm showing it to you guys because it looks so strange. I got these eggs at Walmart and this egg looked like as if there's paint on top of it. I've never seen eggs like that. I'm starting to be a bit conscious of my food nowadays because of all the things that we hear about, you know, manufactured meat and eggs and things. And last thing I want is to put manufactured items in my food. So this egg looked really strange, didn't it? Usually Ghanaians, what we like to do in our stews is to add fish, and the fish we normally use is mackerel, or what they call in Ghana salmon. But salmon is not the right name for mackerel. Mackerel is mackerel and salmon is salmon. But today what I'm doing is actually using real salmon, but the one in the can instead of the geisha, which is the mackerel in the can. A lot of times I do use fresh mackerel and then either roast it or put it in the air fryer and then break it up and put it into my stews. But today I just didn't have the time. I did have the salmon in the can in my pantry and I'm like, you know what, I've used it before and it tastes super delicious, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it here in my stew. And you know what, salmon is way healthier than mackerel with way less mercury. I'm not sure, it might not even have mercury at all as mackerel does. But yes, it is delicious. If you'd like to try it, I recommend it. Guys, I am super proud of the outcome of my egg stew. You have no idea how many times I tried to make egg stew in the past and failed. I'm so glad that I've gotten to the point where my egg stew is super good. It's exactly the way that I love it and want it. And I paired it with my coconut seasoned rice, and it was just a great combination. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, ciao.